when we saw San Miguel take control in the last 5 minutes of the game, even cutting the 24-point deficit, how would you assess your players and game composure in a crucial game like this?
Yes, no. First of all, I would like to thank the Lord first for giving us the win today. Praise to Him. Yun lang, lagi namin pinaalala with the coaches, especially kay Coach Bonnie, during the crunch time, fourth quarter. San Miguel is a San Miguel team. It's a champion team. They will come back anytime, and their players, they'll mag-step up anytime. So, yun, buti nag-stick lang kami doon sa game plan. It's not, we just play our defense hard, especially during crunch time. Then, yun na nga, no, nakahabol sila because of, syempre, yung mga turnovers namin down the stretch, which is yun naman, naka-recover kami dun sa last possessions namin.
Thanks, Coach. Now, Arvin, your team, just like what I mentioned, your team has set a franchise history na manalo against the top 3 SMC teams like Magnolia, Ginebra, and ngayon nga yung San Miguel. At hindi naging madali itong larong ito para sa inyo. Ano ba yung masasabi mo sa capability at sa performance ng mga teammates mo, pati na rin sa'yo, at the same time, yung pagpuprove din sa mga doubters ninyo na meron kayong chance sa conference?
Well, it's a great feeling always in setting history every time you achieve something like what we did today. You know, it's a great feeling for us and also for the team and for the franchise. And also, I guess everyone just naniniwala lang sa isa't isa. I guess since the start of the conference, yun na yung naging puhunan namin. Believe na we can do it if we stick together. You know, nakita naman natin how we play the game, di ba? Whenever we don't share the ball or parang medyo low yung energy, doon kami na tatalo. But every time we play together as a team and enjoying the game and believing na we can win, dun tumataas yung moral ng team, like what happened today. Although at the end game, you guys know San Miguel is a champion team, no? 8-time MVP is there, CJ Perez. Ang dami nilang mga veteran players, no? So kaya hindi naging madali sa amin, even though we were up ng 24, di ba? Nahabol pa rin nila. So this is contender talaga eh. They have experience, champion teams, and credit to SMB also.
Now we open the floor to our friends from the press.
Coach, ano yung viewing siya ni Kalibla na dito about yung pagkalit talaga yung play niyo or yung mga options yun sa play?
Yes, actually, design play yun for Kadim. Then, actually, lahat ng coaches decided na si Kadim yung last shot. No? Even our team manager, si Coach Pido, is na-involved na rin doon sa ano. Yun, kaya dinesign namin yung play na yun for Kadim because we think that we have an advantage of Kadim on that situation.
Coach, much has been said about kaya natin yung tatlong SHBs, but sa inyo lang gano'n lang kalaking bagay itong nanalo kayo after nung losing skid nyo the past few days?
Yes, actually, malaking bagay itong panalo namin against San Miguel. So, kasi we're very down, especially after the loss from Meralco and Rain or Shine. Sa Rain or Shine is a blowout loss nga against us, no? So, yun lang, challenge lang talaga sila ni Coach Bonnie. Even our second group, yung mga players of the bench namin na kailangan mag-step up kasi hindi nga kaya talaga nila Arvin, nila Josh, even Kadim na can play 48 minutes or heavy minutes. That's why yun nga, group effort kasi going to the playoffs, sigurado na we need everybody na to step up. So para sa ganun, malesen yung pressure from kay Arvin, kay Josh, even kay Kadim.
Arvin, yan, nabanggit na ni Coach yung sa playoffs. Kayo ba sa ngayon na nanalo din kayo? Isip nila ba yung chances nyo of, kung sakali lang to finish as the top seed or at least the top 2 spots in the standings entering the playoffs?
Well, mahirap kasi makita yung si dikit-dikit no? So, di naman kami masyado nag-focus sa ganun. We look at the next game lang. And then, looking at the standings, parang isang panalo or isang talo, medyo mataas yung tinatalon mo sa standings. So, for now, we cannot focus on that yet. Kasi may isa pa kaming laro. Which is the last game namin in the eliminations. And then after that, siguro, whoever's makatapat, we'll do our best to make it to the next step. So I think we're in the playoffs now, no?
Yeah.
And then after that, getting into the semis and hopefully finals.
Arvin, anong yung nagbago after nung 2-game losing streak nyo? Meron ba kayong adjustment or meron naman yung pinag-usapan sa team? Ano nangyari?
We were talking about starting the game strong. Since after nung game nga namin sa Rainer Shen, kasi dalawang game na kaming flat na nag-i-start, offense and defense. So we started in practice, actually practiced hard nung isang araw para to get guys going. But, and yun, nag-pay off naman yung result ngayon. Pay off naman yung ginawa namin. Challenge kami ni Coach Bonnie. Talagang mainit yung ulo ni Coach Bonnie. But we took it as a challenge, each and every one of us, especially Kadim. And nabigyan kami ng panalo because of that.
Coach, do you find this win as well as confidence? Kasi may chance kasi na baka either sa Miguel or Magnolia o baka depende siyempre sa ranking, but siyempre sila nasa baba. Do you think it's a confidence builder? And hindi benta ba kasi daw yung kaharap niyo sa quarterfinal?
Sa ngayon, siguro, we just celebrate on this win. Kasi mahirap na, kagaya na sabi ni Alvin kanina, yun lang, tinitingnan lang namin yung one game at a time. So, the next game namin against Blackwater. So, yun, hopefully we finish the elimination strong, then going to the playoffs. Bahala na kung sino yung makaharap namin. But still, yun nga, itong team na to is just making statement that we are real. Kumbaga, itong mga players na to, they will play 100% each game. So yun lang, even in the playoffs, kung sino may makaharap namin, we'll just play our game. At the same time, kunin namin yung panalo. The number one is just to win. Yun lang, yun yung going to the playoffs. Whoever, kung sino yung opponent.
Arvin, like lang si Bayaw nandyan
Yeah, dyan lang yun 5 minutes away lang dito yun.
First time ba niya?
First time niya manood ng game. Hindi, dati. Nasa Inebra pa ako nanood siya.
Okay.
But first time niya ulit ngayon. Sama si Gavin, yung pamangkin ko. Medyo... Hindi naman, nakaka-inspire. Siyempre, nandiyan si Doug. Baka, kalitokan ako na mamaya.
Kumusta relationship mo with
We're great. It's like kuya-kuya ko talaga si Doug. Ever since nagkita, first time namin magkita, actually medyo kabado. Laki ni Doug, player pa siya nun. But Doug is a great guy, great person. Very, loving sa amin ng niyang wife ko kasi bunso si Bradley. And he's always there to guide us. Diba? So, very thankful ako sa relationship namin nito. He's really like a kuya to me. Kasi wala akong kuya eh. So, siya yung nagtumayong, kumbaga, since for 10 years na kami ni wifey. So,
malayo pa tayo.
That's it for our coach game.
Thank you.
Gentlemen, and congratulations.
Pang game pa.
Thank you.